Hello everyone. Today I will introduce our brand new A15 Bluetooth speakerphone. What is in the box? A15 Cascade line, USB cable, user manual, quick start guide, warranty card, dongle. After making sure you have received all the accessories, we will learn more about A15. What does the A15 look like? First, let's take a look at the features and design of the A15. Superb sound quality. The A15 speakerphone is equipped with a high-quality speaker and a noise-canceling microphone. Portable design. A15 adopts a lightweight and portable design, which is easy to carry and is suitable for various scenarios, such as office, conference room and home use. Simple operation. The A15 has an intuitive button layout, including functions such as answer and volume adjustment and mute. There is an indicator light in the middle of the top of the Bluetooth, and there will be a response when it is enabled. How to connect A15 to your device. Next, let's see how to properly set up and connect your A15 speakerphone. It has 3 connection methods. Bluetooth connection. Let us first look at how to connect via Bluetooth. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to start the device. When fully powered on, the indicator light turns yellow. Press and hold the Bluetooth arrow for 1-2 seconds. The status indicator light will flash blue, and it is in the pairing state. Other Bluetooth devices can search for NUROUM Bluetooth A15 related devices. After successful pairing, the A15 device indicator light will always be yellow and prompts one device connect. USB connection. The second connection method is a USB connection, plug and play. In the shutdown state, connect the USB to the Type-C charging port, and the A15 will automatically power on and start charging. At this time, the status display light is white. Dongle connection. Just connect the dongle directly and you can use it.
One device connected.
Some A15 usage tips. Finally, I'll share some tips for using the A15 so you can take better advantage of its capabilities. Answer and call. When there is an incoming call, press the answer button on the A15 speakerphone to answer it.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Nico.
When hanging up the call, press the button again to hang up.
Bye, Nico.
Bye, Sarah.
Volume adjustment. Use the volume plus and minus buttons on the A15 to adjust the call volume to ensure you hear a clear voice.
Today we'll show you how to use this powerful V403 PTZ camera to improve your meeting and video calling experience. First, let us understand the basics.
Mute setting. Short press the mute button. The indicator light turns from solid red. Some additional features. In addition to the basic functions, the A15 speakerphone also has some additional functions to enrich your calling experience. Daisy chain connection. A15 is connected to another A15 through the cascading port, and the 2 line-out ports are cascaded through the audio cable to ensure greater conference room audio expansion needs. Reverse charging. A15 will charge these devices by connecting Type-C and smart devices. The above is the introduction of NUROUM A15. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please visit our website.